What's good, Iku? Welcome back to the channel. We're on our ONYX CTY version, the reboot version, and we just got out of our former home, which we're using as Airbnb, and we're using this bike as our workhorse, going back and forth. Our new business, newly acquired business, newly acquired electric vehicle. And we plan on business expensing it. We'll see how that goes next year. Anyhow, welcome back to the channel. We accumulated about 68 miles on this guy already, and I'm still getting acclimated, but I'm now comfortable using it on the main roads, such as like Sunset here near my area, going about 40 miles per hour ish, if not more. I topped this bike at 54 miles per hour. I believe that's the fastest I got. Let's check out today's top speed. 43 miles per hour, 47, 51, 52, 53, 54. Whew. I gotta say, 54 miles per hour. I haven't beaten that just yet. What a rush. I definitely recommend having at least one side view mirror, or I would say rear view mirror. I don't really have space to add another mirror here, but I don't know. Definitely have mirrors because cars just like to sneak up on you, regardless of what you're driving, At least what I'm noticing. But Sunset Avenue, all right. It's a little scary on the street, I have to admit. I'm still, a baby at this, especially on like main roads. Still getting used to the motorbike feel. But here we go. It gets to like 40 miles per hour in 3 seconds. This thing is pretty torquey. $55. 56. 54. Holy smokes. Just for a brief second there, I saw it go at 56 miles per hour, but it looks pretty locked at 55 miles per hour. And, I am a 155-pound rider, so I guess that's what you would expect. And I haven't done anything with the speedometer or anything like that. It came stock. From what I'm gathering from everyone else is it's off by like 2 or 3 miles per hour. So if I'm topping at 55 miles per hour, that would be around 52, 53 miles per hour realistically. And for my needs, that's plenty fast, guys. That's exactly what I got it for. And honestly, I thought I'm seeing 47 miles per hour on other people, but hey, the more, the better, right? So that's performing great. The only thing I haven't figured out is the clock. I know how to adjust it, but every other time I reset, reboot, it doesn't save the clock or anything like that. I don't know. Comment below if you know something about it, ONYX. But the clock just always resets. whenever it feels like. But here we are, keeping up with traffic, around 40 plus miles per hour. And that's exactly what we asked for. Anytime I'm going over 40 miles per hour, it's hard to think at the same time, think and talk at the same time. And I believe the audio is not catching that well versus, you know, what I'm accustomed to, like mountain biking or just going around under 20 miles per hour even. The audio doesn't catch that well over 40 miles per hour. The other thing too is there's not enough real estate to have like a good phone mount to be in the center. I like my phone in the center. I see everyone else have it like right here, but I'm not gonna do that. The handlebars are still too small in my opinion, but it's almost like kid style handlebar, but like around 680 millimeter, I believe. But you know, you get used to it, and it's not like you're riding this bike like a mountain bike, obviously. So something you get used to. Twist shift throttle, it's okay. I really prefer thumb throttle, but I'm getting used to it too. It smells like someone needs a smog check. Or I'm never used to biking on the main streets like this on a two-wheel vehicle, you know? You notice and you take for granted all that smell that all these cars are giving out. Get yourself an EV, folks, and save all that gas and that maintenance that a car would normally have. So happy with this purchase. I'm so happy with this purchase that I kind of want to like take it apart and put it in a Super 73 frame like most other people are doing, making their Super 73 like a 72 volt and calling it a Super 72. But you know, as of now, I like it the way it is. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? I'm honestly not gonna take it apart, but I'm thinking about it. It seems very reliable, but I do like the Super 73 frame way more. Yeah, but that's just a preference anyhow. Well, that's going to be today's quick vlog, folks. Looks like I topped 55 miles per hour today, sometimes even 56. Anyhow, that's going to be today's quick vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on whichever e-bike you decide to get. Stay safe and amazing out there. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.